an explosion at Amur of local government, Abule to be precise, inside of Monile. Please, we need assistance from fire service. This video should go viral, please. We need the appropriate authority to intervene. It is massive. There has been a lot of destruction of houses here. It is assumed that people are inside the building itself. So this thing is real. It is happening live at Abule, Amur of local government. Please. Look at it. It is happening live. It is live at Amur local government. Please. Abule first and first two. That is where it's happening. Adeshoba. This video should go viral. We need appropriate authorities to intervene. The fire is ongoing now, as you can see. It is massive. Houses are destroyed. There has been a casualties.
I said, my bed, before the two do boom, my bed said, she can say, who they shake my bed? So I go and boom. Baba said, they shake. Oh boy. I'll shake.
Mine, nah. How about the motor?
Upstairs. The window and the door pulled at the same time.
The school is completely damaged. It's a complete write-off. Don't worry about casualty. Nobody knows the casualty rate. Where?
They don't park their food for that place there.
For which side?
That front there, beside this place now.
At the front, Abi? It's massive, like, it's massive, all AGO. It's an inferno. It's getting worse. Just help people. Okay, London matter. It's bad. I can't do no videos again because the casualties are need. I'm being prohibited to do more videos. I'm stopping to do now. Yes. It's crazy. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. You have to continue with the video. The roads are blocked. The channel. It's an inferno. It's flaming badly. It's crazy. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. You have to continue with the video. The roads are blocked. The channel.
I dey hit body. So sorry.
This is pipeline explosion at Amule local government, Abule to be precise, inside of Monile. Please, we need assistance from fire service. This video should go viral, please. We need the appropriate authority to intervene. It is massive. There has been a lot of destruction of houses here. It is assumed that people are inside the building itself. So this thing is true. It is happening live at Abule, Amule local government. Please. Look at it. It is happening live. It is live at Amule local government. Please. Abule first and first too. That is where it's happening. Adeshoba. This video should go viral. We need appropriate authorities to intervene. The fire is ongoing now, as you can see. It is massive. Houses are destroyed. There has been a casualties. Unconfirmed casualties though. But houses are destroyed.
It's getting worse. The school is completely damaged. It's a complete write-off. Don't worry about casualty. Nobody knows the casualty rate. Where
They don't park their people for that place there.
For which side?
That front there, beside this place now. For front.
At the front, Abby. It's massive, like it's massive. All AGO. It's an inferno. It's getting worse. Just help people. It's bad. I can't do no videos again because the casualties are there. I'm being prohibited to do more videos. I'm stopping to do now. Yes.
I see my bed before the two do boom. My bed said she can say, who they shake my bed? Fuck when boom.
Baba said they shake. Oh boy.
I'll shake.